Have you ever wanted to make your own music, but you have no musical talent? Well, with the advancements in AI today, that's actually possible. When we listen to music, we're essentially hearing a series of notes played in particular order. What defines a song is the arrangement of those notes, known as a melody. Musicians play a crucial role at crafting melodies by using their musical knowledge. But today we have a deep learning, which is amazing at capturing complex patterns in data. So by feeding enough data, neural networks, which are deep learning algorithms, are able to grasp connections between musical elements and create new music, just like an experienced musician can. So if we feed neural network in particular artist's musical data, we can actually create new songs in that particular styles because it can learn that style. So for my thesis, I decided to create music in style of the Beatles. I took all of their songs and extracted no speech and no duration from them, as those are the most important elements for creating melody and rhythm of a song. After creating a dataset, it's time to process that data by using neural networks. Neural network has input data and output it tries to predict. As an input, I took a sequence of 50 notes, and as an output, I took a next note in that sequence, which it should correctly predict. So each neural network has certain parameters, and we aim to get the right parameters to get the right predictions almost every time. And we do that by iterating through all of the data and each time modifying it. After that is done, it's time for our next most important step and the most interesting one, which is the music generation. It actually works in a similar way as the training does. So I take a sequence of 50 notes, which are randomly generated, and neural network is now able to generate the next note. And after it generates the next note, I cut out the first note from the sequence and I get a new sequence of 50 notes. And I can do that for as long as I want to, depending on the length of the song I'm aiming for. So we can see that artificial intelligence is actually our partner in art creation, and I believe that we should further aim to develop it and use it for musical expression.